Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is Victor Mihalcea speaking, and uh, I'm here to present you our skill pill in Talend. Regarding this skill pill today, I've decided to talk about the component tSendMail. It's a component easy to use and very practical because it's an essential tool for sending automated emails within ETL workflows. It allows message delivery via SMTP protocols with support for attachments, authentication, and flexible email server configuration. It has some key features such as sending personalized emails, SMTP and authentication support, ability to attach files, or dynamic configuration of recipients and content. So, it has a practical use, is ideal for automated notifications, scheduled reports, or alerts regarding Talend job execution. Great. Let's jump right into it. I've made a simple input-output flow. We have an Excel source with the sheet orders with a tmap that has mapped columns. You can see the columns here, and after that the output is a tlog row uh, set to table to present us the result as a table, of course. And at the end we have the component tSendMail that helps us with everything I've said before. So first things first, the two is going to be completed with your uh, with your address or client's address. We can add more addresses like that. We can add example btprovider.com, but we're going to stick only with my email now. After that, we have to complete who is sending the email. We can select show sender's name, we can select CC, BCC, and after that we can complete the subject. So we can complete the subject from here, and after that the message that will be shown in our mail. I've decided to put only the successful message, so if I run it, this is going to be the message that I'm going to receive on my Outlook mail. I'm going to show you later on the result. Great. But before that, we have to talk about these boxes and what can we do to improve, or what do we need to remove from our tSendMail. Great. So the configuration is like that. Die if the attachment file doesn't exist. If checked, the Talend job will stop and throw an error if the specified attachment file is not found. So it will not send us a mail. Then we can see the attachments, you can see other headers, and after that we have the uh, SMTP host that is representing the SMTP server used for sending emails. I picked localhost because that's what I've configured in my local server for SMTP. The SMTP port is 25 usually because uh, the port used to communicate with the SMTP server is 25 for unsecured connections such as this, but you can also use 465 for SSL and 587 for start TLS. SSL support, if checked, the communications with the SMTP server will be secured via SSL support, generally used with port 465 as I specified you earlier. Start TTLS support enables Start TTLS encryption, which upgrades an unsecured connection to a secure one, commonly used with port 587. And the importance says the priority of the mail to normal, high, or low, influencing how it is displayed to the recipient. You can see here normal, high, or low. If you need authentication, if checked, Talend will require authentication with a username and password to send emails, mandatory for almost all SMTP servers. And die on error. If checked, the Talend job will stop in case of an error, otherwise it will continue execution even if an issue occurs while sending the email. Great, so that's about it. We can run the job and see the results. Okay, so it's starting and it's done. This is the table. So the job ran successfully. We just need to see right now in Outlook how does it look. Great. So here we have the subject. Here is the sender, to whom is my account, and the message that we receive. Is that easy and is very much useful when you have automated processes. We can wrap this up here. I hope that this helps you in creating and organizing your processes. I wish you a very good day. Bye bye.